Okay guys, so hello everyone, please welcome to my channel Tech Boss. And guys, I hope you are doing absolutely fine. So guys, please welcome to our new unboxing video of the Boya microphone that most of the YouTubers use for recording. Okay guys, so without wasting any time, let us begin it. So first of all, let us take our Boya microphone. This is the Boya microphone, so let us unbox it and see what are the components of this microphone. So guys, this is the mic from Boya that Boya have sent me to do the unboxing of this Boya mic. And remember guys, the price of this Boya mic will cost around, I think, 999 in Amazon or Flipkart. Okay guys, so let us begin it. So guys, let us open the box and see what are the components of this Boya mic. Okay guys, so I am opening it. You can see I am not sure, but I think this is the best for recording YouTube videos as far as I think. Let's see what is inside. As usual, the booklet, as you can see. Let us keep them aside. And what is inside this box, let's see. Okay, so inside you are getting 20 feet long cable. Remember, it has been mentioned that this cable is 20 feet long, and this is where you are going to put the, I think a small sponge will also be there. Let's see. Yes, in the box it is, and the battery also. As I am pointing towards the camera, you can see the battery and the sponge. And guys, this sponge is actually, I am telling you where to fit the sponge, and the battery I will tell everything. So guys, please watch the video until the end. So here you are going to put the sponge like thing. Yes, this is how it will look like, and you can simply tuck it into your here, means into your collar, just below the collar. You can tuck it and you can do recording, and it's as simple as that. And this, I think, let's see what is here. I think here we have to put the battery, I think. So guys, as you can see, I have put the battery here, you all can see. And now I am again chucking this down. But remember guys, this ribbon that is present here, you have to do like this. As I am pointing towards the camera, you can see I am holding it here, and then I am tucking it. See this. But beware that this sponge ribbon does not get in the midway, or you cannot means give the tuck fully. Yes, now I think it's fully done, as you can see this. And remember guys, this cable is 20 feet long, as I have told you. Guys, you can see this mic. I have pointing it towards the camera. This is a very good looking mic. I think the price, as far as the price segment, it absolutely justifies the price of 999. And guys, remember, the price is rupees approximately around the price that has been written in the box is 1995, means 1995. So if you are buying from Amazon or Flipkart, I think you are going to get this at 999. So I think that is a great discount that Amazon is providing us. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the Boya mic. So guys, if you enjoyed it, please give me a like, and if you are new to my channel, then guys, hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon for getting regular daily tech videos and gameplay episodes every Sunday. And guys, have a fantastic day, alright?